let me tell you how corner to corner is done. So we're going to make the first square right there, and then 2 and 2, which is row number 2, and then 3, 3, 3, row number 3, and then 4, 4, 4, 4, row number 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 would be row number 5, until we get to the point where we want to go straight and close it. It can be a square, it can be a rectangle, whatever you wish. So let's start doing this. So row number 1, we make our slip knot and chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're going to skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th, 5th, and 6th, we make double crochets. So that's 1. Pick up the 2 strands from your chain, so like that you have a nice edge. And 3. So now you have the chain 3 that count as 1 double crochet and 3 more, so it's 4 in total. Row number 2, you make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, skip 3, and on the 4th, 5th, and 6th, you make double crochets. So that is 1, 2, and so again what we have is the double crochet and 3 double crochets. The chain 3 count as 1. So now I'm going to put this yarn to the bottom, the beginning yarn, and this last stitch goes on top of that first square, and we're going to slip stitch where the chain 3 from the first square is, and then we're going to chain 3 and make 3 more double crochet in the same space. That's 1, 2, and 3. So now we made row number 2 with our 2 squares there. Row number 3, you make 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and on skip 3, and on the 4th, 5th, and 6th, you make double crochets. That's 1, 2, and 3. So now let's go on top of that square from row number 2, go where the chain 3 is, and slip stitch there, and chain 3, and that would be our first double crochet, and we need 3 more. So that's 1, 2, and 3. So again, let's go on top of the previous square, look for the chain 3, slip stitch into there, chain 3, that would be our first double crochet. We need 4 in total, so that is 2, 3, and 4, and that is our third row. I have 4, 4, and 4. So every time you want to increase, you're going to do your 6 chains, and then skip 3, and on the 4th you make a double crochet. On the 5th you make another crochet, and on the 6th another double crochet. Let's do this. There we go. Now return your work and find that chain 3, slip stitch there, chain 3, and that would be the first double crochet. This is the second, third, and fourth. And then you keep going all the way to the end, and I'll see you when I get there. So this is the last square I want to make. So I have my chain 3, and that's 2, 3, and 4 double crochet in total. And I don't want to add any more. What I want to have this edge going this way. Therefore, I'm going to turn my work and slip stitch into the top of each of those double crochets. So that's 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch into the space where you have your 3 chains. And now you can have your chain 3 and 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, for a total of 4. So now you can see that the edge is going this way, and I am going to be working back. So now I have 9 squares diagonally and 9 squares on each of the sides to have it square. But of course you can make as many, you can make it as big as you want, you can make a blanket. I'm going to make a washcloth. So I will see you when I get to the end of this row. So I got to the other side, and now I have 8 squares, so I am taking off. So now I am going to go and slip stitch into that last square, turn, and slip stitch into each of the double crochet tops. That's 2, 3, and slip stitch into that chain 3 space, and do 1, 2, 3, and 3 more double crochets. And now you can see that I'm taking off, and you keep doing this until you have 1 square, because that's how you started. So that is the way it's looking, and I'll take some pictures. So as you can see, we just need that last square here, and what I'm going to do is chain 3 and 3 double crochet into that space. That's 1, 2, and 3, and then I'll connect with a slip stitch into that place there. So there we have it. We have our square. You can make rectangle, you can make any shape you wish. I'll take some pictures of this, and thank you for being with us. Share us with your friends. like our page and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.